What's good, man? Welcome back to Joe Rich Trades and Stocks, where we spilling all the info that they don't want you to know. And today we're going to be talking about the high probability setups that I dropped in the recent 3 days, man. What to be on the lookout for my favorite swing trade over the weekend, man. And my reasoning as to taking these trades. So y'all going to want to stick around, pull out y'all notepad, pull out y'all trading view, and take notes, man. So let's get straight into it, man. The first thing I want to talk about is how me and the Discord bankrolled this week, and whoever watched my last video that I dropped on Sunday of this week, man, the free signal, the free sweat I gave y'all out here, man. Everybody bankroll with me if you took the signal, and the signal that I'm talking about is for ticker symbol SBUX, man, Starbucks. I told everybody to get in because it has a big, see this right here? We ain't gonna go into it too much, man. If y'all wanna hear my reasoning for this and my rationale for this trade, man, we talk about it deep in the last video, but we're gonna look at it on the daily on trading view right quick. This is S Bucks. It has a big old gap down, man. So I said buy calls right here on Monday, and y'all see what it did. It went from $79.5 to $83. And as you know, in options trading, that is an 120% move up roughly, man. If you held it and saw it all the way through, it did start rejecting a little bit off of this 83 key level right here, man. But it's going to retrace and it should go back up a little bit, but I'm not playing it no more. That's a trade that I'm out of, man. We never overstay our welcome with these trades, man. And I'll make it pop up right here on the screen. Everybody in the Discord went crazy off of the S-Bucks call, man. So I just want y'all to keep that in mind. Make sure y'all is listening when I'm dropping these videos, man, so y'all don't miss out on free back ends. No cap. So yeah, man, like I said, just keep in mind whenever y'all see a big gap down like this on a strong stock like, or okay stock like Starbucks, man, just know the gap will get filled at some point, man. Now we're going to look at ticker symbol LULU. Lulu. And if y'all don't know what Lulu is, man, before we hop into the charts, Lulu is an active wear brand. This is like females exercise clothes, and moral of the story is it's an oversaturated business with not or oversaturated sector with a lot of competitors and not a lot of hype on one brand, if you would say, besides like obviously Nike and those sorts. So y'all see how it had a big run up, it had its little run, but it's been on a big downside. And if you go look at the financials for this, it's losing quarter after quarter, man. So just keep that in mind. Y'all can find that at yahoofinancials.com. Excuse me, man. But y'all see had a big old gap down right here. Now today, overnight, yesterday, it shot up to like 340. I don't think it shows overnight. Hold on. Let's put this on the 15 minutes so y'all can see. And I'm gonna zoom in. Excuse me. All right. So we zoomed into the charts, and this was overnight for Lulu, man. After markets for yesterday. So y'all see how I had a big old move up on a weak stock in the after hours, man. So I said, okay, if I see downwards motion in this when the market opens, I'm sliding in puts because it's going to have to retrace it down here. And what did it do, man? We got in. This wasn't even a 10-minute trade. I dropped it in long-term holds because Lulu, I do want to get into long puts of it, man. But I saw profits and I took profits when it shot all the way down here. And we're going to make that pop up on the screen so y'all know we not doing no capping around here in Joe Rich Trades, man. So that was my rationale. I didn't overthink the trade too much. If you see, it's been down here whole time. And it wasn't a lot of buying volume, if you can see. Like, while the market was open, it didn't go up. It only did that with the hedge funds after hours. You understand what I'm saying? So I know it had to retrace and come back down when the market opened. So we ate on Lulu today. I don't even remember exactly how much of a percentage it was, but I'd say if it does come back up to 350, 400 range, look at long puts on this, man. Look at long puts with a $400 to $350 strike price, man. Excuse me. Next, what we're gonna talk about? We're gonna talk about Meta. That also had the Discord in. And if y'all wanna hop in the Discord, man, it's only $25 for, like I said, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on, man. If I'm lying, I'm flying, and I never had no wings, man. So y'all had technical difficulties, but like I said, man, y'all can tap the link in the description if you do want to join the trading team, man. We dropping all the signals every morning, man. Bangers on bangers. And I tell you my rationale so you can go do this by yourself, you feel me? You don't need me dropping the signals every day for you at a certain point. So now let's talk about ticker symbol META, man. Meta. What did Meta do today, man? We got into Meta calls down here, and this these indicators I have on right here is called the Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo. I do recommend you adding that to your trading charts because it's a good indicator of where the buyers are stepping in at heavy. Y'all see these blue blocks right here? These are heavy buy zones, and y'all see how it shoots up every time it touches this buy zone. I see, so I look for the buy zone for the day, and the buy zone was down here. And this is on a 15-minute chart, but mind you, I'm only trading for the first hour to hour 30 minutes of the day today. You feel me? So within these candles, I see it doesn't have any signs of really slowing down. It had made a weak high up here, but by this time, I was not in the trade, man. I got in somewhere around here. 497, yeah, I got in exactly around 496.99, and I didn't overstay my welcome, man. I had seen it shot up to 500. Somebody in the chat had played it all the way through, man, and had made 126% gains, hit a home run in the chat, man. I told him I wish I would have stayed in because I had sold for like 50% gains, but as long as you green, man, that's all we care about around here, man. Staying profitable. So y'all see we ain't overstay our welcome. Seen it started rejecting, sold off, man. So that's how we had ate off of Meta, man. And now, what y'all been waiting for? By the time I drop this video, it will probably have already made a huge move. But I'm gonna let you know right now, if you are anywhere, if you have any dealings with stocks or the crypto space, right, then you've been hearing about this dude named Roaring Kitty who keeps tweeting about GameStop, man. Ticker symbol GME. Now, y'all see what type of stock this is, right? Y'all see this, right? It's if y'all can't see, man, this is usually a $20 stock. Now, every time Roaring Kitty has news, I don't know why, so I don't want to give y'all bad financial advice. This isn't even financial advice. This is just me putting y'all on free game, and y'all can do what y'all want with the free game. But every time he tweets or has something to say or an event coming up, GameStop always shoots. Now, he announced that he has a live stream tomorrow. Well, today. It'll be today if you're watching this, man. We're going to drop this video tomorrow on Friday, June 7th, man. So he announced that he's having a live stream tomorrow. Y'all see what this thing did, man. So I just want to let y'all know and put it in y'all heads. If this comes back down to, I'd say, I really want to see 38 again. If it comes back down to 38, load up the calls, man, because all the buyers are going to be stepping in. We seen some volume today, but it wasn't like the volume we seen 2 weeks ago in his expiration dates on his calls that he announced. He bought $26 million worth of calls that expire in 3 weeks. So just know by 3 weeks, this thing is going to make a ridiculous move up. it already has had ridiculous moves up, but of course it's going to pull back. The sellers are going to step in. So I'm just letting y'all know, when it comes down to 38, if it doesn't pull back that heavy, look at this buy zone right here, 48. Buy in at 48 and let it run up, man. I'd say look out for this level of 80. After it hits 80, it gets kind of iffy, man. After it hits $80, it definitely gets kind of iffy. But with all the hype around this, I usually don't trade off the hype, but this is one of them things. This is called a momentum trade, man. The hype is there, so the momentum is going to be there. So just look out for the swings on this over the weekend, man. And that's all I wanted to talk to y'all about today, man. I don't really want to keep y'all out here for too long, man. I gave y'all some free sweat. Like I said, if y'all do want to join the trading team to be the best trader you possibly can, man, hit the Discord link in description and make sure y'all subscribe for more free game, man. I appreciate everybody that's tapping in with me. I appreciate the ones that's new here. And yeah, we out.